It was a scorching Saturday evening in the Jamaican capital, Kingston. The sun was dipping into the horizon, and the smell of jerk pork wafted through the air. Amongst the vibrant streets of downtown Kingston, one stall stood out from the rest, Porky's Jerk Shack. Porky, a jovial Jamaican man, stood proudly behind his grill, carefully seasoning each piece of pork with the secret spice blend he inherited from his grandmother. The demand for his jerk pork had never been higher, with top dance hall party venues clamoring for him to cater to their events. As the night unfolded, a sleek, black Escalade pulled up alongside Porky's Jerk Shack. Out stepped Charlie, the famous selector from the renowned Dance Hall Palace, a venue that played host to some of the biggest names in Jamaican music. "Ah, Porky. Mon. Me hear about your jerk pork fi the masses," Charlie exclaimed. "How about you cater to we fi the main event tonight? I'll give you a fat check." Porky, with a sly grin, replied, "Aight, Charlie, but me gotta warn you, me jerk pork is the best thing in the island, and people come from far and wide to taste it. If you promise me a fat crowd, me might just have to bring me E-game tonight." Without hesitation, Charlie shook hands with Porky, sealing the deal. As they shook hands, other selectors from different party venues caught wind of the agreement and swarmed Porky's Jerk Shack, offering hefty sums to have their own event catered. As the night wore on, Porky's Jerk Shack became a hotbed of activity. Porky and his team worked tirelessly to meet the demand, their jerk pork flying off the grill like wildfire. The smell of the jerk seasonings, the sound of laughter, and the rhythm of the music blended together in perfect harmony, creating a night that would be remembered for years to come. As the last piece of jerk pork was sold, Porky looked around at the crowd of satisfied patrons and smiled. He knew that his grandmother's secret spice blend had done it again, bringing people together with the taste of his world-famous jerk pork. With a final nod to Charlie, who had just handed him a massive payment, Porky shut down his grill, knowing that tomorrow would bring another day of feeding the masses with his delicious jerk pork. As he walked home under the starry Jamaican sky, he couldn't help but think, "Mon, Porky's Jerk Shack is the real deal."